Hi everyone, my name is Lucas from Spin Flowstar. Today I'll be teaching beginner flowers, which looks like this. So this is a really fun move, it's kind of casual, if your shoulders are sore or whatever. The key is you have 3 fingers and it's a little pinch directly in the middle, so about there. If you look on the other side, you should just see a little line. From here, you do a big build up and twist it with that. You don't actually let go at all, you just twist and wait for the Flowstar to wrap around the 3 fingers. As it's wrapping around the 3 fingers, you don't actually need to move your wrist. When it's finished its wrap, you flick back the other way and let it wrap around your fingers the other way. This might feel a little sore at the start because it is a big twist of the wrist. Now, I'd also recommend you do this with the left hand. And to get extra momentum, you can fling it behind you and then fling it forwards. It's all about momentum. So without the star, I've got these 3 fingers. I pinch, my other 2 fingers are down, twist, and then untwist. What you want to do is not grab too much of the fabric. For if you grab too much of the fabric, when you go to spin it, it just won't wrap much at all. And the flower aesthetic, if you will, is if you grab enough to get a good firm grip, but not too much, so that when it wraps around, it actually does like a long, takes a while for it to go all the way around. And yeah, you just do it casually. Just for it to link to some other beginner moves, when you can start, I would recommend just starting flowers straight away, because you can start it from nothing. You just pinch and start twisting. And then if you know your pizza toss, instead of keeping a pinch, you can just let go and keep going in your toss. And if you spin the other way, then you just let go of the Flowstar and it's going the other way. Cool. Thank you for joining me in this beginner tutorial for flowers. If you'd like to see more flower videos and a progression, click here. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you next time.